Okay, that's the battery damage. You can see the difference. One of them probably have a shortage and expand. I don't know, kind of difficulty to charge that. Make sure there will be no fire. I don't know. That's why I decide not to use it. That's the damage. Okay, cover. You can see on one side it is a plastic pin. Another side it is no plastic pin. Okay, I will try to do that. You can see it's broken. Alright, drone itself, try to charge it right now, battery, and place it that in a drone to show you. Okay. No, sorry. Okay, right here the battery, good one. And let's put it in charge. Right now, when it is in charge, that's the remote control. Lights working. It's no cracks, nothing, but it's not received. I mean, not transferred the. Maybe it's transferred the signal, but drone itself is not making anything. And right now, battery charge. Okay, battery is charged, and I will try to do by one hand. It's difficult. Okay, battery in the spot, and it's a button right here. I'm pushing the button. And just nothing happened. Okay. Alright. I hope you're satisfied with that video. This drone doesn't work, and help me to resolve this issue.